In front of me is Realme GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then use one-handed mode by clicking on it and tapping on this switcher next to it. Lastly, swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!